Hello friends, welcome to Techno Assets channel. In last video we had created SQS standard queue. We had tried to send and receive message from the queue, but we had done this from the QE. In this video we will do the same but from the CLI, AWS CLI. So let's start today's video. I have logged into my console. Let me take you to the SQS page. This is the standard queue. Name is demo standard, which we had created in my last video. So let's try to first list the queue. So AWS SQS list -queues. So the demo standard is the queue which is there. And one more guys, that point is that we are not giving region, right? Because when we configured the AWS CLI, we had provided North Virginia as a region. So you can say it's like a default region, and if you want to do anything from other region, then you need to explicitly specify the region. But since we are doing a North Virginia region, so we are not going to provide region again and again. So region is not required, okay, because we had configured this region when we configured the AWS CLI. So let's try to now send the message to this queue from the AWS CLI. So queue URL we need to provide. Queue URL you can copy it from here also, or another way is that you can go to this queue from GUI and then you can copy it from here. Okay, now the last component is message body. This is message one from AWS CLI. The command is AWS SQS send message -q URL. We need to provide the URL, complete URL of a queue, and the message body. So see, we are able to send the message to the queue. Now let's try to receive the message. So in receiving the message, we don't need the body, right? We just need to provide the queue name, and instead of send, it will be a receive. First let me try to show you here. If I refresh it, then message is in available state. So let me just receive it from here. So the consumer is able to process it. This is the message one from AWS CLI. If I'll refresh it, then it will be in a flight state because the consumer is processing it, and within that visibility timeout period, if consumer is not able to delete it, it will again be in available state, right? So let me try to process. Let me try to receive message again, and let's see what happens. So it says nothing because the queue is empty, right? Because there was one message which is already in flight state. Consumer is already processing it, and if try to refresh it, you can see the message is again in available state. So let's try to receive message. So this time it will be able to receive because there is a message in available state. Now let's try to receive again. Why I'm receiving it again, I'll show you. I'll provide you the logic. See, okay, now let's go to the demo standard queue and let's change the settings. Now we are changing the settings of wait time to 20 seconds, means we are using as a long polling, right? Now you will see the difference. So the message is in available state. If we try to receive it, consumer will be able to receive it because there is a message, okay, But in now there is no message, the queue is empty, so the consumer will wait up to 20 seconds. That's the concept of long polling. So it will wait up to 20 seconds. See, because the message is still in flight state, there is no message to process, so it's okay. So the message available, it will process. If there is no message, it will wait up to 20 seconds. Okay guys, so for this demo I want to show you one last thing. Okay, so as soon as the message arrives within that 20 seconds, it will process it. So let's try to send the same message again and again. Okay, okay, now let's try to same message and let's try to send it. So we are able to send the same message again and again. Producer is sending duplicate message in standard queue, right? And the standard queue is taking it as a separate message, right? So we will see the difference when we try to send the same message in FIFO queue. So we will see the difference when we will do the FIFO queue demo. So that's it guys for today. In today's video we have seen that how to we can send and receive message from the queue from the AWS CLI, and what happens if we change the settings of wait time to 20 seconds. Thank you guys. If you like the video, hit the like button and do subscribe my channel.